girl. I'm back with another video, y'all. Today we are at Planet Fitness. We're at Planet Fitness, so I'm about to get this workout in. And yeah, that's gonna be my little content for today. And I'm also doing a cook with me tonight, but I think I'm gonna do that as another video. But yeah, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this workout? I think I'm gonna do legs. I'm working on my legs today. Glutes, get them glutes right, you know. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get into the workout. Hey y'all, so I think I'm done at the gym. I'm tired. I think I'm out of here. I'm cooking. I just finished cooking. I also made keto cheesecake, y'all. Keto cheesecake.